last leg of our journey to Florida. Today's Saturday morning. I think we left on Tuesday. And Nick's been driving 12, 15-hour days. It was early. We've got 300 something miles left to go to our first destination here. We're arriving 1 or 2 days after the tropical storm or Hurricane Nicole just hit Florida. So hopefully that's the last hurricane of the season.
Wherever I go, I will always know everything I need is right here with me. It's time to let it all go.
We spent the night at the Welcome Center here. We're on the last leg of our journey. We made it to Pensacola, Florida last night, and we're going all the way to Ocala today. We've been driving about 12, 15-hour days. Finally made it to Florida, so excited about that. Right now I'm going to go get a sun pass so we don't have to pay tolls on the road. Alright, so I got my Sun Pass Mini from a vending machine in there. Their activation machine is broken, so we're going to do that online. And head back to the truck right now. Got that from the Florida Welcome Center. We're going to head to Ocala today. Good morning. As you can see, we're all set up here in Florida, and the projects have begun. We are starting work on the trailer. Nick's replacing some of our old vents with some fans to help regulate the temperature in there a little bit better.
And I'm finishing up the backsplash on our kitchen.
Nick's finishing wrapping up the fans on the roof and the trailer, and I think we're gonna go on an adventure with our friends today.
Our good friends Jack and Karen love showing off all the neat places in their hometown. The weather was a little bit drizzly this day, so we decided on a quick trip to a few close by locations. The first stop was a random circle of twisted oak trees, hidden amongst thousands of tall, straight pine trees. They called these the fairy trees. No one knows the real name. We haven't seen any other trees quite like this in all of the Ocala National Forest. Our next stop was a beautiful park area on Lake Ocala, where we saw quite a bit of wildlife. We met Jack and Karen 2 years ago, and since then, they've become family, as have so many other great folks we meet along the way. Starting out, I thought this would be a lonely lifestyle, that it would be difficult to make friends moving around so much. But as it turns out, we have more friends now that we call family than ever before. It's so nice to run into friends again and again all over the country that understand the lifestyle and can share in similar experiences and give us the best destinations to explore. All right, the projects continue. I'm going up on the roof of the trailer and we're gonna reseal the whole thing. On our trip over here, we found a few small leaks and we're gonna nip those in the bud. Anybody else ever feel like the projects just never stop when you live in an RV? Is that just us?
Today we are resealing the roof of the new trailer. It's been leaking like crazy, and so it's an aluminum roof, so it moves quite a bit as we're going down the road and as the aluminum expands and contracts. So the caulking needs to be very soft, and if it's not soft, then it's gonna crack and create leaks, and that's what's going on. So it gets harder, caulking gets harder and more brittle as it ages, so the new caulking will last us a long time.
That's a wrap for today. We'll finish the roof tomorrow. If you enjoyed today's episode, hit that like for us. Subscribe if you haven't already. And we'll see you next Tuesday on another adventure. We're putting trash in the street.
She got wrapped up in something like that.